playing Iron Cat. I am making a base right now. So, Fergie, if you watch this, you have to make this base right now. I'm telling you, that's a very cool. Right now you have to do it. It is cool. If my game is glitching, probably not. Okay, Foggy, if you're watching this, then make this base quickly. I'm bringing my friend. Later. What the hell is going on with this game? Okay, my fish sparkly, no worry. Haha, do 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 do. I put this right here. What the hell are you watching? Hey, Grandma? Granny, what are you watching? Okay. I'm gonna hit my base to see if it protects me. Oh, let's go on this other side. Foggy, if you're watching this, I hope this works, okay? Guys, if you're watching this, put in Google Play Iron Cat, you will find this game. You'll find it, okay? Okay? So, make sure to like and subscribe. Foggy, if you're watching this is for you. I'm making a base so that way you can make a secret base that Granny won't beat you. Oh, Granny did not beat me. Like, this is the world secret base I ever built. Like, boom, secret base. I mean more blocks. Bro. Is someone talking to my ears? Yeah, almost finished. We just need friends, bro. Yeah. Okay, let's beat up Grandma. Bye. Go to the secret base. Boom. Sometimes I will be alone. Is Granny waking up? Oh, hell no. No, I have my own secret base. You say it did not attack me? Hold on, let me get my friend and Cookie Berry. The one who is my friend. Cookie Berry, my friend. Hello, Cookie Berry. Wait, stay right here, okay? I'm going to get the other one. I have two friends. Oh my! Yeah, I can't break the plates right here. Come on, Sparkly. Anyway, Sparkly, say hi to the viewers and the subscribers. Say hi. Please say hi. Can you say hi in the comments, please? I will beg you, please. This is the first time you see that I'm playing I Am Cat, even though I'm 8 years old and I don't have a VR. But I don't care. I'm doing it on my tablet. Yeah. Boom, 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 ba, boom, 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 boom. LOL. I got this. Boom, boom, boom. If you haven't seen my channel, go to Alina Hossein channel, and the other name is called Sky. You will see the sky image. That's me. Okay. Now like and subscribe now. Okay, let's put this to be safe. Hey, yo, what is Cookie Berry doing? Cookie Berry, what are you doing? Come on. Oh, lo, 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 oh, la, 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 meow, 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 boom, 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 boom. Ba, 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 ba. Oh, shit. Let me put this. Oh, this is one. I really need that. Where's it? Oh, there's a block. Cookie Berry, what are you doing? You can't come here. This is only for cats. This is my secret base. Don't worry, I'm blocking it. Come on. Stay with you. Bye. I need those bucks for defense. And I also need weapons. And I also need food. I can't eat him because he's my friend. Sparkly is my friend, not food. Even though I'm a cat. Yeah. Ooh, some books I can read. I have only one, so I need another one to read a story. Maybe more. More. Yeah. Yeah, boy. Yeah, boy. Oh shit. Get in the bed. Okay, that's the end. Bye. I hope you like it. Say bye. The bell is on. Say bye. Say bye. Bye. Make sure to like and subscribe.